Good day, YouTubers. Back again with another video. This one's going to be quick. I was in the process of installing my KTM power parts rear sets, and I noticed that when I tightened it down, there was a lot of tension between the slave cylinder and the cables for the servo motor that controls the exhaust flapper. And typically when something is showing resistance, it's not installed properly. And when I was watching another YouTube video for reference, I didn't really see him go over this step, so I wanted to address it because there's a lot of people who complain about MTC failures on these motorcycles, and I'm not sure if they're installing these improperly. So, real quickly, if you look at the stock ones, this is the hole that mounts to the bike, and these are the two holes that the slave cylinder mount to. If you can see closely, there's a height difference, right? Shit. On the aftermarket ones, this is the hole that mounts to the bike. These are the two holes that mount the slave cylinder. There's a difference, but in the opposite direction, okay? So this kit addresses this with longer bolts, pre-coated with Loctite, and a spacer. And because I didn't see him going over this step, I'm going to assume he installed his improperly. And if you're using his video for reference, you're probably installing yours incorrectly as well. This is what these bolts are for. Make sure you put the spacer in between your slave cylinder and your rear set to avoid binding these cables and potentially making your Super Duke throw MTC light, all right? All right, take care, guys.